So, hello everyone. Very exciting day today because today I am unboxing my very first skateboard. Um, I am 35 years old, going 36, and I've never skate before. And it's always cool to see other people, skating around in the skate park and on the road, but I've never done that before. So at age 35, I'm not sure how easy it is for me to learn about skateboarding, but here's my first skateboard. So I'm gonna unbox this today, and my safety equipment haven't arrived, so the helmet and the protective gears are not here. So today I'm just gonna take it out of the box and then take a look at my very first skateboard. So I ordered this online from I think it's called Skate Warehouse. I'm not sure if it's a reputable website or not, but I found them on Google. They are like one of the first search results, and I actually configured the board, use their custom build feature, so the board should be customized or should be good enough for a beginner like me who have never skated before. And wow, let's take a look inside. And here's my board. My very first skateboard. So right here, and I think the board itself is the brand called Almost. Since I've never skated before, I don't know if this is a famous brand or not, but the price is pretty decent. So, and take a look at the freebies they give me. So a whole bunch of stickers and the boxes from what they unboxed to build the board there. Okay, so let's take a look at the back. It'll be interesting to see. Interesting. So, and the truck, I think this is what it's called. The truck is it's a brand called Industry, or ID for short, and the wheels are, I think, the Bones. Let's see, let's take a look. Something, the Bones VS 100 or something like that. I think the 100 is Eurometer reading for the hardness. So I assume this is for street use, and the bearings is called Bones Red or Bones Super Red, I think, right here. Apparently, from my review, that this is supposed to be a good starting bearing to use, reliable, and it's not gonna wear down that quickly. But for me as a beginner, I'm pretty sure it's gonna last me for the first few months at least. And look at the construction. It's my stairs again. Okay. So here's the board, and I think the board is a standard 8-inch board. Let's see the shape. Also, I believe this is a standard shape, and 7-layer construction plywood, maybe not plywood, or maple wood. That's what they say they usually use for the skateboard. And this is the backing, and I think the length is 31.4 or something. So from all the reviews I've read, it should be pretty standard. I don't know why the hardboard color is different. Maybe that's to indicate that which way is the front, which way is the back. I don't know, but we're gonna test it out in the next few days when I have my safety equipment, and then I'm gonna come back and update you guys on my progress at learning how to skateboard. Now, my ultimate goal is just to be able to skate on the street, to be able to like rolling on the street. I'm not even considering going for extreme, like doing tricks and stuff like that. But it would be nice if down the road I'm able to do some tricks. But for now, we're just focused on how to balance myself on the skateboard. So there you have it. my very first skateboard unboxing. So hope you guys liked it, and please do hit the like button or follow me, and we're gonna continue our skateboard learning journey.